Listen to me. Get out of your house and travel. Look at the world. Help, save me.
Okay, so this is the Spring Castle. It's a castle in the middle of forest. Is it open? Oh, nice.
Listen to me. Get out of your house and travel. Look at the world. Help, save me.
Should have got our bottles. Okay, you cannot resist it. You have to do it.
We used to do this in the bowl. It's my grandma's house. This is where we got our drinking water. And then you know what? After 10 years or 15 years later, they dig the hole and they found out a lot of skin of snake.
Yeah.
And we've been drinking that for how many years?
How long will it take you to finish to get enough water to take a shower, to take a bath?
Oh, nice. So that's where the water is coming from. You see, under
I think they just fill up this tank every day.
and it's just flowing slowly. That one, look. So, this building in front of the Great Falls, or beside the Great Falls, was a cotton mill. It's a factory.
See, Mr. Faulkner, wanting to help those most in need, hired and housed some 300 workers, predominantly widows and children. This created a booming city that included its own blacksmith, post office, farm, market, and store.
Entry. Ta-da! This is the place where you will be surrounded by falls.
Oh wow, look at that.
Yeah.
Oh, it's surrounded.
Yep. It's like a bowl.
Oh.
Nice. That's it.